In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Airtable subscription. Whether you're looking to change your plan or simply want to manage your expenses, canceling your Airtable subscription can be a straightforward process when you know where to look. Let's walk through it together, step by step. First, you need to sign in to your Airtable account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Airtable homepage. Here, you can see all your projects and databases neatly laid out. Now direct your attention to the top of your screen. You'll notice your profile icon there. If you haven't uploaded a profile picture, it might simply display your initials. Go ahead and click on that icon. Clicking on your profile icon will open up a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, you want to choose the Account option. Clicking on Account will redirect you to a new page dedicated to various account-related options. What we want to focus on next is found under Workspace Settings. Once you're there, click on the Workspace Settings option, and we're getting pretty close to our goal. On the Workspace Settings page, you're greeted with a host of workspace-related controls. This is where you tackle everything from team management to billing details. What you need to do next is to scroll down a little or scan through the options available. Locate and click on Workspace Plan. This section holds the key to managing your subscription plans. Now that you've accessed the Workspace Plan settings, you'll see the option to manage your subscription. Before rushing ahead and canceling, take a moment to review any terms and conditions that might apply. Understand what happens to your data after you cancel and be aware of any potential fees. Airtable may also have specific notification periods or renewal terms spelled out in your plan. Make sure you're crystal clear on these details. Once you're certain about your decision, go ahead and proceed with the cancellation. It's a smart move to revisit changes you make in your account settings afterwards, just to ensure everything is as you want it and avoid any unexpected issues. And just like that, you've successfully navigated the steps to cancel your Airtable subscription. As a final tip, always remember to keep a record of any confirmations or emails you receive throughout this process, as they might prove important for future reference. Thank you for joining me in this quick tutorial. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Happy organizing with your newfound knowledge.